Boy, that new Supra do look mean. It do look smaller. It is smaller, but boy, man, this little thing is clean. Yeah, boy, you almost hit that lip. You got your little remedy rims for racing on them wells. Oh, there ain't no cheap rims. Yeah, he racing. Oh, he got, he got the parachute. He got a lot of work to this sucker. Woo! Yeah, I see you ain't playing with that parachute.
It all right.
And you got the right wheels on it.
Yeah, man, it does all right.
Yeah.
I broke the clamp. I'm not making no boost. I broke the clamp, fucking broke to hold the charge pipe in the boost.
Damn. And what year is this?
2020.
How many horses you got on it?
750.
But it's light and it moves.
3,200 pounds.
Dang, boy. Yes, indeed. And you put that tail on there.
It's it moved out pretty well, man.
I see that. My uncle had a throwback one.
An older Supra?
An 89.